Welcome back to DeezyVision. Today we are here at the Lyndon International Airport because today I'm going to be taking a trip over to Grand Bahama Island, and I'm going to be there for just about 3 days. And I decided today that on my travel there that I'll take you guys along with me. Now, for those of you that don't know what Grand Bahama Island is or where it is, it's one of our islands here in the Bahamas. And so this is not an international flight for me. This is an inter-island flight. And so for those of you that didn't know, Grand Bahama is one of the islands here in the Bahamas. So I'll just be traveling inter-island today. And like I said, I want to take you guys along with me. So I'm going to check in, and the next time I see you, I'll be in the boarding area. And before I check in, I just want to show you guys that I'm sitting in front of this Christmas tree here in the front of the airport, the front section of the airport, and they're definitely geared up and ready for Christmas. I even see that there are some gifts under the tree. I don't know who they are for. I don't see any names on them, and so I'm not going to take one with me. I'll just leave that there because I don't think any are for me. I also want to give you guys a view of how the domestic terminal looks. This terminal got a major upgrade. In fact, this terminal we're standing in right now is new. One of the newer terminals that we have. This one was officially opened after our international terminal, which is a new terminal also. They did some really good work on it, and now it looks very, very modern. If I was to show you a picture or video of how this domestic terminal looked before this new one was built, you see that it was a drastic improvement. But this is just a look at the domestic terminal. This is where our local airlines like Bahamas Air, etc. This is where you would come to check in, and then you'd proceed to the boarding gate. Alright, so we've made it to the upstairs, the boarding area. It seems very busy here today. A lot of people doing inter-island travel today. I'll get up a little later and see how much of this area I can show you guys. I flew out of this boarding gate once a few years ago, so it's been a few years since I've been up here, but it was good to be back. Alright, if you're ready to fly, come on, let's go.
Around the waist, connect at the base, and tighten to suit the waist.
Okay, so flight duration is about 35 minutes from Nassau to Grand Bahama, and like the flight attendant says, because of health and safety protocols, they won't be doing a food and beverage service. So
securely fastened. Your seat backs, tray tables, window shades are in the full upright and locked position. All headsets, earbuds, and earphones are to be removed from your ears at this time. If you have any disposable items, kindly have them available for collection. We shall be landing shortly.
All right, so we have landed here in Grand Bahama. I'm at the hotel, Island Seas Resort. It is dark, so definitely can't do anything right now. I have a busy schedule this weekend, and so I'm going to try my best to show you guys as much as I can. And so I have to head to a rehearsal in short order. So when you see me again, it's going to probably be the next morning. But like I said, I'm going to try and show you guys as much as I can. All right, so hang tight for me. All right, so it is the next day. Staying here at the Island Seas Resort. I've never stayed here before, so this will be the first time that I'm staying here. And you know, it's a pretty nice resort. As you all know, in 2019, you know, Hurricane Dorian did major damage here on the island of Grand Bahama. And right after Dorian hit, with all of the devastation and the damage it caused, and you know, causing an economic downturn, then the pandemic came, which kind of compounded the situation and made it worse. And so, you know, I think that a lot of places here on the island of Grand Bahama are still feeling the pinch from that. But as I look around the resort, it's a very nice resort. I think that business is just kind of slightly picking up for them. And so, you know, everyone is like trying to recover right now. But I'm going to show you a little bit or as much of the resort as I can. As I step out of my room, this is the view that I have. Beautiful view of the beach. I don't know what that is down there, but it looks like someone may have some kind of stall. I think they may be selling like clothing items. That's how it looks from here. I'm not too sure, but this is the view that, you know, we get once we come out of our room. A beautiful view of the beach. I hope it isn't too breezy in this clip, but here you have like a small recreation area. So you can play volleyball there. The kids can use a swing set, a little gazebo set up right there. And as we move further forward, we're going to, let me switch hands. We're going to be coming to the area where the pool is. I see they have a bar set up right here by the pool, and I think that there's a restaurant right here by the pool area also. So right here you have the pool area. I don't think it's too deep because they have a sign here that says no diving, so I don't think this pool is too deep. I have a nice waterfall set up over there, and I think that this building here is a restaurant. Of course, you have the pool chairs where you can, you know, lay out, get some sun, relax. Got a nice umbrella there to get some shade. And then right here is the bar setup that I was talking about. I'm gonna go a little closer to it to see how much of it I can show you. Okay, so they're calling it Coconuts, Grog, and Grub. And this is the area here. So you have some tables where you can sit, and I'm guessing that you can order food from that place that's across there, and they'll bring it to you, and you can sit here and enjoy your food under this nice shade with all the fans. And then, you know, here's the bar setup. I also noticed that they have a ping pong table here, so you know there are things that you can come out and do. Here I see they say that this is the activity center, so I guess if you want to book some activities, you would go through them there. Nice waterfall set up here by the pool. Very nice. Here you have a restaurant right across there, Sea Grape Grill. Just the name I see there. All right, and so that's it for this side of the hotel. They also have a spa here, Wellness Within Day Spa, and you can see there everything that they offer. the manicure, pedicure. You can do polish. You do your polish on your hand, your nails, hand and foot treatment, and then it says here that you can get couples massages here too. So let me see if I can find the front entrance. I don't know if it's open or running right now, but they have the spa here. Now I'll have to confirm this with someone, but I think that these buildings across the road are also a part of the Island Seas Resort because the buildings all look alike. So I think it's safe to assume that the buildings across the road are also a part of the Island Seas Resort, but I'll confirm that with someone. Okay, and this is the front entrance for the spa, and the sign says yes, we're open. So yes, they are open. All right, we're in the front lobby area. I'm sorry that this tour was kind of going backwards, but this is the front lobby area. You see they have a writing up there that says relax, revive, repeat. And this is the lobby area where you would check in. See the front desk is right there. And see they have some Christmas decorations. It's just a little bit. Yeah, and this is the front lobby area where you would come to check in. You see staff behind the front desk, and then if you look out of the back door here, you can see the pool area where we just came from is right out there. You see they also have a place called Java Nuts Cafe Freeport. I don't think this is open because they have these chains pulled across the entranceway, so I don't think this is open, or it just hasn't opened for the day as yet. You already see that they have a computer and printer setup that you can use here. And from looking at the sign that's above the printer, I think this is where guests can come and do their travel visas before they leave. You know, for countries that require you to have a travel visa to, you know, re-enter the country or to even travel there. So, you know, you can come and use this setup to do that. And I guess you can come and print any documents that you may need to travel or for personal reasons also. And then I see here they have a little library where you can come and you can check out books. You know, if you're looking for something to read, you know, you're going by the pool, you want something to read as you relax, or something just to take up to your room and read, you can come here to the library that they have. Okay, so right now we stopped at the Grand Bahama Resort here in the lobby area. Thought to take a look around. I'm kind of disappointed I don't see any Christmas decorations here. Thought the place would be decorated for Christmas. Here you can see that there's a beautiful view of the water outside. I'm going to step outside in just a few minutes. Alright, now on the outside, they're setting up for a concert right now on the lawn. The Bahama Brass Band is going to be in concert here at the Grand Bahama. Later on today, it is Saturday as I make this video. And this is a very beautiful view. Very beautiful view. So the concert goers should get a very, very lovely view tonight and have a very good time. Good morning. Believe it or not, the weekend is done. It is very early in the morning, like after 5 a.m. But I said I'll show you guys a little bit of the room. I took you around the property. We're in room 1045 here at Island Seas Resort. I want to take you on the inside and show you a little bit of the room. Of course, we were here an entire weekend, so we're heading out, and of course the room isn't looking too snazzy because, of course, we just got up. But I'll show you a little bit of the inside. So we're in room 1045. Okay, so this is a little view of the room that I slept in. See my bags on the bed, getting ready to head out. Well, you see there's an air conditioning system there. It's the bed, nightstand, telephone. Now this here is an older hotel, so everything that's in these rooms isn't completely up to date, but it was a very comfortable resort room. I will admit that. And then over there, bathroom area, and then we had a closet here. With, you know, the hangers and stuff in there, so we had stuff to hang our clothes on. And then this door you're looking at, this here was the closet that the iron was in. I'm not gonna open that. And this is the kitchen setup, microwave, stove. This is some cups were in here. Toaster. I am sleepy. And some, I guess you could say some Tupperware that you could have used if you wanted to. Oven, electrical, stove top. Yeah, coffee maker. The room didn't come with the chips, but that's sitting there next to the coffee maker. And then here's the ironing board. Over here you have the area where you sit and chill. No, it's not. Move the that table out of the way. We would all hang out in here. And it's the table equipped with food where you would sit and eat. And what I like about this room is we just pull this sliding door open, and there's the pool. So this was very convenient for us. The pool was right there, and there's a hot tub somewhere there too. And if you remember when I did the tour, there's a restaurant on the other side of the pool area also. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I thank you for watching. I apologize that this video seemed to be all over the place, but like I said, this was somewhat of a business trip for me. I had an event that I had to attend. Unfortunately, I could not film at the event because I didn't get any proper authorization to do so. But I tried my best to show you guys as much as I can. I hope you enjoyed what I was able to show you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and give it a big like. I'm going to try my best to bring you guys more travel videos, more inter-island travel videos from here in the Bahamas in the near future. So please stay tuned for that. Like I said, if you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up button, give the video a big like because it really, really helps the channel. And if you haven't as yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel because I have lots more coming for you guys. And don't forget to check out all of the links that I left in the description for you. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays.